Travel has the power to transform us, opening our eyes to new cultures, sparking unforgettable memories, and fueling a lifelong sense of curiosity. Yet anyone who's ventured beyond familiar borders knows that travel isn't always smooth sailing. Missed flights, confusing customs, unexpected expenses, and safety concerns can quickly turn excitement into stress. That's why smart travel matters. It's not about packing light or snapping selfies. It's about making informed choices that keep you safe, save you money, and deepen your enjoyment every step of the way. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first trip, this collection of 200 tips is designed to be your trusted companion. Inside, you'll discover practical advice to navigate airports like a pro, insider secrets to finding authentic local experiences, safety hacks that put peace of mind first, and budget strategies that stretch every dollar without sacrificing comfort or fun. These aren't just random pointers, they're tested strategies from travelers who've been there and learned the hard way. Get ready to unlock the confidence to explore boldly, the savvy to avoid common pitfalls, and the wisdom to make every journey more rewarding. With these 200 smart travel tips, you're not just planning a trip, you're crafting a richer, safer, and truly unforgettable adventure. Welcome to Smarter Travel, where every destination becomes a place you love to discover, safely, affordably, and fully.